Welcome to Shaker Maths. Today we are going to learn 7th class mathematics new textbook. First chapter integers, exercise 1.2 based on division of integers. Before going to do the exercise, let us learn the concept. Multiplication, gunakaramu, repetitive addition of a positive or a negative integer. ఒక సంఖ్యను పునరావృతంగా కూడిక చేయడం. For example, if 3 is added for 5 times, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, we get 15. But it takes so much time. But instead of adding 3 5 times, we can just multiply 3 by 5. That is 3 into 5, which is equal to 15. Same answer, but we get it fast. Minus 2 is added for 4 times. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, we get minus 8. But it takes so much time. But instead of adding minus 2 4 times, we just multiply minus 2 with 4. Then minus 2 into 4 is minus 8. So this is the multiplication which is very useful in place of repetitive addition. Division, bhagaharamu, repetitive subtraction of same number from a given number. ఒక సంఖ్య నుండి మరి ఒక సంఖ్యను పునరావృతంగా తీసివేయడాన్నే భాగహారం అంటాం. Suppose, how many times 2 is subtracted from 8 to get 0? 8 నుంచి 2ను ఎన్నిసార్లు తీసివేస్తే 0 వస్తుంది. To find this, it takes so much time. 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. It takes so much time. But instead of doing that, if we just divide 8 by 2, then we get 4. That is, 4 times we have to subtract 2 from 8 to get it 0. Now, division of integers. Division is the inverse operation of multiplication. Let us see an example. 6 into 4 is 24, where 6 and 4 are the multiplicants and 24 is the product. So, when 24 product is divided by 4, we get 6, one of the multiplicand. If 24 is divided by 6, we get 4, which is one of the multiplicand. So for each multiplication statement, there are two division statements. 5 into 3 is 15, but 15 divided by 3 is 5, and 15 divided by 5 is 3, which are the one of the multiplicands. 6 into minus 2 is minus 12. So when minus 12 is divided by 6, we get minus 2. When minus 12 is divided by minus 2, we get 6. Minus 10 into 2 is minus 20. Minus 20 divided by minus 10 is 2. And minus 20 divided by 2 is minus 10. Minus 5 into minus 6 is 30. When 30 is divided by minus 5, we get minus 6. When 30 is divided by minus 6, we get minus 5. Now from this table, we can conclude as follows. Positive integer divided by positive integer, the quotient is positive. That is, plus divided by plus is plus. Negative integer divided by positive integer, the quotient is negative. That is, minus divided by plus is minus. Positive integer divided by negative integer, the quotient is negative. That is, plus divided by minus is minus. Negative integer divided by negative integer, the quotient is positive. That is, minus divided by minus is plus. If the signs are same, then the quotient is positive. That is, plus divided by plus is plus, minus divided by minus is also plus. When the signs are different, then the quotient is negative. That is, plus divided by minus is minus, minus divided by plus is also minus. Now let us fill the table. Plus 25 divided by plus 5. Plus divided by plus is plus. So 25 by 5 is 5, 5 ja 5. Now 42 divided by minus 6. Plus divided by minus is minus. 6, 7 ja, so minus 7. Minus 75 divided by 15. Minus divided by plus is minus. 15, 5 ja, so minus 5. Minus 27 divided by minus 3. Minus divided by minus is plus. So 3, 9 ja, so plus 9. Now let us see example 4. A borewell machine drills down 72 feet per hour from surface of the earth. If the water is at 360 feet down from the surface of the earth, after How many hours it will touch the water layer? Solution. Depth of drilling in 1 hour. Observe the word down 72 feet. Here down indicates minus, so minus 72 feet. Depth of water layer from surface of earth. Here observe the word 360 feet down. Down indicates minus, so minus 360 feet. And also number of hours required equal to. Here observe the number minus 72 is a negative number. So instead of subtracting 72 repeatedly from 360, we just do division, that is minus 360 by minus 72. On simplification, minus divided by minus is plus, 72 5 ja, so 5 hours. Hence the borewell machine will touch the water layer at 5 hours of drilling. Now example 5. In a test, plus 4 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. Sai answered all the questions and scored 26 marks from 8 correct answers. How many incorrect answers had Sai attempted? Marks given for one correct answer equal to plus 4. So marks given for 8 correct answers is repetitive addition of 4 for 8 times, or simply multiplication of 4 into 8, that is equal to 32. Sai score is 26. Marks obtained for incorrect answers is total score minus marks for correct answers, that is 26 minus 32, which gives minus 6. So marks given for one incorrect answer is minus 2. So number of incorrect answers is obtained by just division or repetitive subtraction. So minus 6 divided by minus 2 minus divided by minus is plus 2 3 ja. So number of incorrect answers is equal to 3. Now example 6. Shopkeeper Yasin earns a profit of 20 rupees per bag of Sona Masuri rice sold and loss of 12 rupees per bag of Hamsa rice. In 1 week he gets neither profit nor loss. If he sold 1440 Sona Masuri rice bags, how many Hamsa rice bags did he sell? Solution. In the given problem, there is neither profit nor loss. So, profit earned is equal to minus loss incurred. Here profit indicates plus, loss indicates minus. So, profit earned by selling one Sona Masuri rice bag equal to, profit indicates plus, so plus 20 rupees. Profit earned by selling 1440 Sona Masuri rice bags equal to repeated addition of 20 for 1440 times, or simply multiply 1440 into 20, which gives 28,800 rupees. Now loss incurred by selling one Hamsa rice bag equal to, loss indicates minus, so minus 12 rupees. Loss incurred by selling Hamsa rice bags equal to minus total profit, that is minus 28,800. So total number of Hamsa rice bags sold equal to repeated subtraction of 12 rupees from 28,800 rupees. So or simply division. So minus 28,800 divided by minus 12 minus divided by minus is plus. So 28,800 by 12 equal to 2,400 bags. The fish in the pond below carry some numbers. Choose any 4 pairs and carry out 4 multiplications with those numbers. Now choose 4 other pairs and carry out divisions with those numbers. Now let us take multiplication. Minus 4 into minus 9 is 36. 8 into 6 is 48. Minus 4 into 8 is minus 32. 6 into minus 9 is minus 54. Now divisions. 18 divided by 6 is 3. Minus 36 divided by minus 9 equal to 4. 30 divided by minus 10 is minus 3. And minus 24 divided by 8 is equal to minus 3. Now exercise 1.2 number 1. Calculate the following. Solution 1. Minus 96 divided by 16. Minus divided by plus is minus. On simplification by 16, 6 ja, that is equal to minus 6. Solution 2. 98 divided by minus 49. Plus divided by minus is minus. On simplification by 49, 2 ja, that equal to minus 2. Solution 3. Minus 51 divided by 17. Minus divided by plus is minus. On simplification by 17, 17 3 ja, that is equal to minus 3. Solution 4. 38 divided by minus 19. Plus divided by minus is minus. On simplification by 19, 19 2 ja, that is equal to minus 2. Solution 5. Minus 80 divided by 20. Minus divided by plus is minus. On simplification by 20, 24 ja, that is equal to minus 4. Solution 6. Minus 150 divided by minus 25. Minus divided by minus is plus. On simplification by 25, 25 6 ja, that is equal to 6. Solution 7. Minus 600 divided by 60. That minus divided by plus is minus. On simplification by 60, 60 10 ja, that is equal to minus 10. Solution 8. Minus 54 divided by 9. Minus divided by plus is minus. On simplification by 9, 9 6 ja, that is equal to minus 6. Solution 9. 130 divided by 65. Plus divided by plus is plus. On simplification by 65, 65 2 ja, that is equal to 2. Solution 10. Minus 315 divided by minus 315. Minus divided by minus is plus. On simplification by 315, 315 1 ja, that is equal to 1. Now second problem. The product of two integers is minus 165. If one number is minus 15, find the other integer. Product means multiplication. The inverse of multiplication is division. To find the other integer, we have to make division. So now write first integer is minus 15. Other integer is we don't know. So let it be y say. Then the product is given equal to minus 165. Product is nothing but multiplication of two numbers. That is minus 15 into y is equal to minus 165. Now y is equal to minus 165 by minus 15. Minus divided by minus is plus. So on simplification by 15, 15 11 ja. So other integer y is equal to 11. Now number 3. Because of COVID-19, a company locked down for 6 months and got loss of 1,32,000 rupees in the year 2020. Find the average loss of each month. Solution. Here observe the word loss. It indicates minus. So company's loss is equal to minus 1,32,000 rupees. Observe the word 6 months. So lockdown period is equal to 6 months. And observe the word average. It indicates we have to do division. So average loss is equal to loss by period. That is equal to minus 1,32,000 by 6. Minus divided by plus is minus. On simplification by 6, 6 22,000. That is equal to minus 22,000 rupees is the loss. Now fourth problem. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees centigrade above zero. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees centigrade per hour until midnight, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees centigrade below zero? What would be the temperature at midnight? Solution. The temperature at 12 noon. Noon indicates PM. So 12 PM is equal to. Observe the word above. Above indicates plus. So plus 10 degrees centigrade. The decrease in temperature in 1 hour is equal to. Observe the word decrease. It indicates minus. So minus 2 degrees centigrade. Let the time taken for minus 8 degrees centigrade be H say. Here observe the word below. It indicates minus. So minus 8 degrees centigrade. So to find out at what time the temperature becomes minus 8 degrees centigrade. So for this let us take the number line. On the number line starting from 10 and left side 2 jumps at a time and reach minus 8 on the number line. For this how many jumps? Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it takes 9 hours to become the temperature minus 8 degrees centigrade. Now let us write it in expression like this. 10 degrees minus 2 degrees at a time at h hours is equal to minus 8 degrees. So minus 2 degrees h is equal to minus 8 degrees plus 10 degrees becomes minus 10 degrees. So minus 2 degrees H is equal to minus 8 minus 10 minus 18 degrees. So time taken H is equal to minus 18 degrees by minus 2 degrees. Minus divided by minus is plus. On simplification by 2, 2 9 ja. So H is equal to 9 hours. So at 9 p.m. the temperature becomes minus 8 degrees centigrade. Now what would be the temperature at midnight? Midnight means 12 a.m. So the temperature at 12 a.m. is equal to, so in the expression 10 degrees minus 2 degrees H, put H is equal to 12. So 10 degrees minus 2 degrees into 12, that is equal to 10 degrees minus 2 into 12 is 24. 10 minus 24 is minus 14 degrees centigrade. It can be written in another way as minus 8 degrees minus, after 9 hours it becomes 3 hours to become 12. So minus 2 degree into 3. So minus 8 degree minus 6 degree, that is equal to minus 14 degrees centigrade. Now problem 5. A green grocer earns a profit of 7 rupees per kilogram of tomato and got loss of 4 rupees per kilogram of brinjal by selling. On Monday he gets neither profit or nor loss. If he sold 68 kilograms of tomato, how many kilograms of brinjal did he sell? Solution. Profit on 1 kilogram of tomato equal to, observe the word profit, it indicates plus, so plus 7 rupees. Profit on 68 kilograms of tomato equal to 68 into 7 rupees. Now loss on 1 kilogram of brinjal equal to, observe the word loss, it indicates minus, so minus 4 rupees. Number of kilograms of brinjal he sold equal to, we don't know. So let a letter N say. Now observe the phrase neither profit nor loss. It indicates that profit is equal to minus loss or minus loss is equal to profit minus of. Loss is product of minus 4 into N. So is equal to profit is 68 into 7. Now minus bracket indicates into, so minus into minus is plus, so 4n is equal to 68 into 7. Now n is equal to 68 into 7 by 4. On simplification by 4, 4 17 ja. So number of kilograms of brinjal he sold, n is equal to 17 7 ja, 119 kilograms. Now sixth question. In a test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 1 mark are given for every incorrect answer. Sona attempted all the questions and scored plus 20 marks, though she got 10 correct answers. Number 1. How many incorrect answers she attempted? Number 2. How many questions were given in the test? Solution. Marks for every correct answer equal to plus 3. Now, Sona marks for 10 correct answers is equal to repetitive addition of 3 for 10 times or just multiplication. 10 into 3 is equal to 30. Now incorrect marks equal to total marks minus correct marks. Incorrect marks equal to total marks are 20 minus correct marks are 30. 20 minus 30 is minus 10. Now marks for every incorrect answer is equal to minus 1. So number 1, number of incorrect answers Sona attempted is equal to minus 10 by minus 1, that is equal to 10. And observe that Sona attempted all the questions. So number 2, total number of questions in the test equal to number of correctly answered plus number of incorrectly answered, that is equal to 10 plus 10, which is equal to 20. Now seventh problem. Write 5 pairs of integers in a pair AB where A is divided by B equal to minus 4. Solution. 4 divided by minus 1 equal to 4 by minus 1. Plus divided by minus is minus, so minus 4. So pair is 4 comma minus 1. Minus 8 divided by 2 equal to minus 8 by 2. On simplification by 2, 2 4 ja, that is equal to minus 4. So pair is minus 8 comma 2. Next 16 divided by minus 4 is equal to 16 by minus 4. On simplification by 4, 4 4 ja, that is equal to minus 4. So pair is 16 comma minus 4. Next, minus 20 divided by 5, that is equal to minus 20 by 5. On simplification by 5, 5 4 ja, that is equal to minus 4. So pair is minus 20 comma 5. Last, 24 divided by minus 6, that is equal to 24 by minus 6. On simplification by 6, 6 4 ja, that is equal to minus 4. So pair is 24 minus 6. So 5 pairs of integers are 4 comma minus 1, minus 8 comma 2, 16 comma minus 4, minus 20 comma 5, 24 comma minus 6. Now last, puzzle time. Here Jasmine says her favorite number through puzzle. Find it. Minus 15 divided by 3, we get minus 5. When multiplied by minus 2, we get 10. 10 minus 20, we get minus 10. Minus 10 plus 4 gives minus 6. Minus 6 divided by minus 2 gives 3. 3 minus 5 gives minus 2. Minus 2 multiplied by 4 gives minus 8. Minus 8 divided by minus 4 gives 2. Do you know these symbols are used for an element belongs to a set or not? 0 belongs to W, means 0 is in the set of whole numbers, and 0 does not belongs to n, means 0 is not in the set of natural numbers. Minus 3 belongs to Z, means minus 3 is in the set of integers. So these symbols we will learn in the next higher classes.
Thanks for watching video. Don't forget to subscribe. Say Karmas.